Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by confirming your prerequisites before connecting Aliexpress to Shopify. You need a Shopify store, an Aliexpress account, and a verified payment method. Install a dedicated dropshipping app from the Shopify App Store. Popular options include DSers and Ali Dropship, which support automated syncing. Note that Oberlo is retired and is no longer supported. Review app pricing tiers because some features require paid plans. Also check expected shipping times, which range from 7 to 20 days, depending on the chosen method. Open the Shopify App Store and install your chosen dropshipping app, such as DSers or Ali Dropship. Authorize the app to access your Shopify store using OAuth or API keys. Browse Aliexpress within the app and import products directly to your store catalog. Edit titles, descriptions, images, and variants before publishing to improve conversions. Configure pricing rules with a markup range, for example 20% to 50% automatically applied. Finally, enable inventory and price syncing so stock levels update hourly or on a schedule. When a customer orders, open your dropshipping app to fulfill the Aliexpress purchase automatically. Confirm product variant, quantity, and paste the customer shipping address at checkout. Choose expedited shipping when available, for example e-packet, to reduce delivery to 7 to 15 days. Pay suppliers instantly with your saved payment method and record the Aliexpress order ID. Enable automatic tracking updates so customers receive shipment numbers and status changes. Monitor cancellations and disputes and contact suppliers promptly to resolve issues and protect margins.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.